हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू साई क्लासेस। फ्रेंड्स, मैं आज आपको एडिटोरियल पैसेज नो लीगल पैसेज ऑफ स्टेनोग्राफी का कुछ आउटलाइन और डिक्टेशन शेयर कर रहा हूं दोस्तों। 100 वर्ड पर मिनट अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे दोस्तों तो आप बिल्कुल आगे अपने आप को पॉजिटिव रिमार्क ले पाएंगे। लेट अस स्टार्ट देन। 5 सेकेंड, 4 सेकेंड, 3 second, 2 second, 1 second and start. At the meeting it is then resolved as follows. Resolved to constitute grievance redressal committees at the taluk subdivision or tehsil level, at the district level, high court and supreme court levels as follows. A committee consisting of the Honorable Chief Justice of India or his nominee, Chairman, Bar Council of India, President, Supreme Court Bar Association, Attorney General of India. At the High Court level, a committee consisting of the Honorable Chief Justice of the State High Court or his nominee, Chairman, Bar Council of the State, President or Presidents of the High Court, Bar Association, Advocate General, Member, Bar Council of India from the State. Stop. At the district level, District Judge, President or Presidents of the District Bar Association, District Government Pleader, Member of the Bar Council from the district, if any, and if there are more than one, then senior out of the two. At Taluk oblique, Tehsil oblique subdivision, senior most judge, President or Presidents of the Bar Association, Government Pleader, representative of the State Bar Council, if any. Another reason for absentation at the district and the taluk level is arrest of an advocate or advocates by the police in matters in which the arrest is not justified. Stop. Practice may be adopted that before arrest of an advocate or advocates, President's Bar Association, the district judge or the senior most judge at the place be consulted. Stop. This will avoid many instances or absentations from court. Stop. It is further resolved that in the past absentation of work by advocates for more than a day was due to inaction of the authorities to solve the problems that the advocates placed. Stop. It is further resolved that in all cases of legislation affecting the legal profession, which includes enactments of new laws or amendments of existing laws, matters relating to jurisdiction and creation of tribunal, the government, both central and state, should initiate the consultative process with the representatives of the profession and take into consideration the views of the bar and give utmost weight to the same, and the state government should instruct their officer to react positively to the issues involving the professions when they are raised and take all steps to avoid confrontation and inaction, and in such an event of indifference, confrontation, etc., to initiate appropriate disciplinary actions against the erring officials and including but not limited to transfer. Stop. The councils are of the view that absentation of work in courts should not be resorted to except in exceptional circumstances. Even in exceptional circumstances, the absentation should not be resorted to normally for more than 1 day. In the first instance, the decision for going on absentation will be taken by the general body of the Bar Association by a majority of 2/3 members present. It is further resolved that in all issues, as far as possible, legal and constitutional methods should be pursued, such as representation to authorities, holding demonstrations and mobilizing पब्लिक ओपिनियन एट्सेट्रा। तो थैंक यू दोस्तों, थैंक यू वेरी मच। यदि मेरा वीडियो पसंद आए दोस्तों, लाइक करना, सब्सक्राइब करना और मुझे अपने डाउट्स मेरे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे शेयर कर सकते हो। दोस्तों, अगर आप मेरी ये डिक्टेशन कंटिन्यू प्रैक्टिस में लाएंगे, कोई भी टेस्ट आपका नहीं रहेगा, क्योंकि ये लीगल डिक्टेशन है और विद द स्पीड ऑफ हायर स्पीड से मैंने इसको किया है। ज्वाइनिंग इज देयर। थैंक यू दोस्तों, थैंक यू वेरी मच।